Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So Lord Buddha, he cheated the demon. Why he cheated? Sadaya Hridaya Darisita Pasu Ghatam. He was very compassionate. God is always sympathetic to all living entities because everyone is his son. So these rascals were killing unrestrictedly, simply animal killing. And if you say, oh, why you are animal killing? There is immediately saw, it is in the Vedas, there is Pasava Badhaya Srishta. The animal killing is there in the Vedas. But what's the purpose? That is to test the Vedic mantra. A animal will be put into the fire and by Vedic mantra he will be rejuvenated. That is sacrifice, animal sacrifice. Not that for eating purpose. Therefore, in this age of Kali, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has forbidden any kind of yajna because there is no expert, a Brahmin, who can chant the mantras and make experiment of the Vedic mantras that here is coming out. That is before performing yajna, how the mantra is potent, that was tested by sacrificing animal and again giving life. Then it is to be understood that the priests who are chanting that mantra, that is right. That was a test, not for animal killing. But these rascals, for eating animals, they cited here there is animal killing. Just like in Calcutta, you had been in Calcutta, and there is a street, College Street. Now it is differently named. I think it is named Vidhan Rai, just like. Anyway, so there are some slaughterhouses. So slaughterhouses means the Hindus, they do not purchase meat from Muslims' shop. That is impure. The same thing, stool this side and that side. They are eating meat and Hindu shop is pure, Muslim shop is impure. These are mental concoctions. Religion is going on like this. Therefore fighting. I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian. Nobody knows religion. You see? They have given up religion, these rascals. There is no religion. The real religion is this, Krishna consciousness, which teaches how to love God. That's all. That is religion. Any religion, it doesn't matter whether it is Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christian religion. If you are developing love of God, then you are perfect in your religion.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.